Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all? I hope and I think you all are fit and fine. Already we have started the chapter Force in EVS, isn't it, children? So, first day we have already covered the effects of force. What force can do? Now, today we will discuss about the types of forces. Okay, children? First type of force is muscular force. What is muscular force? In last topic, what we said? Ki when we use our muscle to push and pull an object, that time it is said force is taking place. So now I will discuss with you what is muscular force. We brush on our teeth. We lift our school bag. With our hand, we walk to the school and we get up from our desk. In all these activities, we do use our muscles to apply force, isn't it, children? We put pressure with the help of the toothbrush to clean our teeth. Same way, we are using the muscle to lift our bag, put it on our shoulder. We just putting pressure and we are used to write something on a paper by using our hand. Sometimes or every day we work and we reach to our school and we put some pressure to get up from the desk. In all the activities, beta, what happens actually? We use our muscles to apply force. So the force applied by our muscles to carry out all our activities is called muscular force. The force applied by our muscles to carry out all our activities is called muscular force. That means when we are using our muscles to carry out any type of activities, that time it is said कि it is muscular force. Example, potter applies his muscular force to give shape to his pots. Have you seen वो जो मिट्टी से पॉटर different kinds के पॉट बनाते हैं? So potter, what he is doing actually, he is putting pressure, he is putting force to give a shape to his pots. We apply muscular force to lift a box, ride a cycle, swim, walk, etc. So every time we use muscles to put force to lift up a box and ride a bicycle, swimming, walking, jumping, like this type of work. Isn't it, children? Beta, have you got the point? I'm able to make you understand? Am I be able to make you understand? Is there any problem, children? Please clear it through me in the classroom. Next type of force is mechanical force. Force applied by a machine is called mechanical force. When a machine is applying some kind of force to perform some activity. Suppose to be a bulldozer is putting some force to move the soil from one place to another place. Similarly, force is applied by the digger, or I can say digger machine, to dig the earth. This is the kind of mechanical force, children. Okay, beta? Now, I will say about the gravitational force to you. What is gravitational force actually? Beta, I have told you last day also, suppose we are throwing a ball towards the sky. What happens? The ball is coming down towards the earth. Secondly, suppose when we are trying to jump, again we come back to the earth only. Why these things are happening, beta? This is the earth which pulls the things towards it. So, earth is having some capacity to pulling the things towards it. The pull of the earth is a kind of force. The earth is pulling towards in its direction only. So it is pulling, yesterday only I told you, the things which is coming towards me, my direction. So that is pulling, and the things are going towards the opposite direction of me, that is said to be the push. So this is called the gravitational force. The earth is having the gravitational force to pull anything towards its surface. Second thing is beta, not second thing, the fourth point of discussion is magnetic force. A magnet is a material, actually a material made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. This material, this mixed material is having the capacity to attract the things which is also made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. So, actually the magnet is having the power to pull the things towards itself, provided the things are made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. So, force of a magnet is called magnetic force. And today's last topic of discussion, that means last types of force, that is frictional force. Beta, suppose we roll a ball on a greasy ground. What happens, beta? It gradually slows down and finally stops. Isn't it, beta? So, suppose you can do also the example. When we roll down a ball on a greasy surface, greasy ground, what happens, beta? Initially, greasy ground, what happens? it gradually slows down and finally stops. This happens beta because of force acts between the ball and the ground. What actually happening, force is acting between both the things here, ball and the ground, and there is a friction occurs in between the ground and the ball. Therefore, as a definition, I can say frictional force is the force that opposes to the motion of the object. So frictional force क्या होता है? That acts in opposite of the motion of the object. If motion of the object is forward direction, so frictional force will act in the opposite of that direction. So we can say we are able to we are able to walk. We are able to walk just because of the frictional force. Similarly, we don't sleep on the ground when we walk just because of the friction between our shoes and the floor. We walk every day for every work. We never sleep on the floor. Why? The friction works in the opposite direction between our shoes and the floor. The amount of friction depends on the types of the surface. Means how much friction will occur, कितना friction होगा, it is depending on the types of the surface. There is less friction in a smooth surface as compared to the rough surface. So we can say frictional force is greater on the rough surface such as grassy ground, on woolen clothes, and lesser on the smoother and slippery surface. Okay beta, so frictional force always works between two objects and that works in the opposite direction. Suppose we roll a ball on a ground. So there are two objects. Ball is rolling on the ground. Gradually it slows down and once in a point it stops. So here actually friction or the force appears or acts between the ball as well as in between the ground. So therefore I can say frictional force is the force that opposes the motion of an object. So for the time being children, I will say bye to you. Take care and stay safe at home. We will meet in our classroom. Any type of problem if you are having regarding the types of the forces, I will try to solve it better. Bye all of you.